So the question number 1, from which year onward does PDL Parliament Digital Library have the digitized archives of legislative debates? Option number C, 1854. Question number 2, according to the census of India 2011, what was the sex ratio number of females per thousand males among the scheduled tribes ST population in India? Scheduled tribe population in India. Option number A is the correct answer, 990. 3. The General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade was signed in which of the following years? GATT. Option number D, 1947. 4. When was Oil India Limited incorporated as a company? Option number B, 1959. 5. Where is the head office of the National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj in India? Option number B, Hyderabad. 6. Pragati Maidan in Delhi is the most closely associated with which form of communication? Option number B, mass communication. 7. Which sustainable development goal specifically aims to ensure universal access to affordable, reliable, sustainable and modern energy for all? Option number A, goal 7. 8. The concept of gross enrollment ratio belongs to the? Option number C, education sector. 9. Which state as of December 2025 holds the highest number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India with a total of 5? B is the right answer, Maharashtra. 10. The Human Development Index rankings are based on a score between dash. Option number D, 0 to 1. 11. As of 1st March 2001, what was the population of India? Option number A, 1027 million. 12. Where is the headquarters of South Western Railway Zone located? Option number C, Hubballi. 13. During which of the following revolutions in India did planned investment in horticulture become highly productive, leading to the emergence of the sector as a sustainable livelihood option? Option number A, Golden Revolution. 14. Which among the following states had the largest population of children 0 to 6 years as per the census 2011 provisional figures? Option number B, Uttar Pradesh. 15. According to the census 2011, which union territory had the lowest literacy rate? Option number A, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. 16. Which institution handles the promotion of classical languages under the Ministry of Education? Option number D, Central Institute of Indian Languages. 17. Identify the classical languages in India as of December 2022 from among the following? Option number C, only 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4. Tamil, Sanskrit and Odia. 18. Which mode of transport is most suitable for transporting heavy, bulky goods over long distances in India? Option number D, railways. 19. Which institution was founded by Prashant Chandra Mahalnavish? Option number B, Indian Statistical Institute. 20. The Vindhyachal Superthermal Power Station is located in? Option number A, Madhya Pradesh. 21. The Census 2011 of India is officially recognized as which number in the sequence of the continuous series of censuses reckoned from 1872? Option number B, 15th National Census. 22. Which organization is responsible for the development and regulation of navigation through rivers and canals in India? Option number D, Inland Waterways Authority of India. 23. Which Dravidian language is spoken outside India in Balochistan? Option number B, Brahvi. 24. Which Indian state recorded the lowest child sex ratio 0 to 6 years in the 2011 census? Option number C, Haryana. 25. Which of the following are the official languages of India? Option number C, Hindi and English. 26. The Niti Aayog created in 2015 replaced the planning commissions as a part of India's development restructuring. What is the correct full form of Niti? Option number D, National Institute for Transforming India. 27. According to the census 2011, what was the approximate total literacy rate in India? Easy question. Option number A is the correct answer, 74.04%. 28. What was India's literacy rate according to the census 2011 data? Option number, okay, I think it's a repeated question. Option number A is the correct answer, 74.04%. 29. What is the full form of UNDP? Option number B, United Nations Development Program. 30. Which day is celebrated as National Youth Day, birthday of Swami Vivekananda in India every year? Option number A, 12th of January. 31. What is the name of the world's tallest statue dedicated to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? Option number A, Statue of Unity. 32. According to the census 2011, which state remained the most populous in India? Option number A, Uttar Pradesh. 33. Where does the Indian Prime Minister hoist the national flag on the occasion of Independence Day? Option number B, Red Fort. 34. As per the census of India, which of the following states recorded the highest overall literacy rate in 2011? Option number B, Kerala. 35. The 26th of January is celebrated every year in India as which of the following? Option number A is the correct answer, Republic Day. 36. What type of shrine is the Niramankara temple located in Nimam, Kerala in India known to be? Option number C, Sandhara type. Question number 37. Which major tourism fair was held in Berlin from 4th to 6th March 2025? Option number A, ITB Berlin. 38. Which Gumpha at Khandagiri in Odisha in India is known for carvings of 24 Jain Tirthankars? Which Gumpha at Khandagiri in Odisha, India is known for carvings of 24 Jain Tirthankars? Option number A, Trishula Gumpha. 39. Which Indian state has the largest number of tribal communities classified under particularly vulnerable tribal groups as of December 2022? Option number C, Odisha. 40. In March 2025, Ordnance Factories Day was observed to commemorate the founding of India's first ordnance factory in dash. Option number D, Kosipur. 41. The Reserve Bank of India has its offices in how many locations in India as of April 2025? Option number D, 33 locations. 42. How many offices of the University Grant Commissions are in Delhi? Option number D, 3. 43. Which global observance did UNESCO mark on 24th January 2025? Option number D, International Day of Education. 44. The famous Trimurti sculpture is present in which of the following caves? Option number C, Elephant Caves. 45. What percentage of the urban population in India lives in slum conditions as per the census 2011? Option number D, 17.4%. 46. In December 24, which day honored Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's contribution to social justice? Option number A, Mahaparinirvan Divas. 47. The Himalayan High Altitude Atmospheric and Climate Research Center was inaugurated on 8th April 2025 in which district? Option number C, Udhampur. 48. Which of the following caves are famous for its high citadel? Option number A, Junagadh Caves. 49. Where is the Indian Naval Air Station INS Buzz located? Option number C, Great Nicobar Island. 50. The Minister of MSME in India celebrates the MSME Day on dash. Option number C, 27th of June. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also you can get PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Alright, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.